Hey y'all, it's Vlogmas.
Waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you.
Welcome back to Vlogmas. It's your girl Courtmarie. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here. And welcome to Vlogmas. I am currently at Chipotle getting some food. It is currently 11:36. I woke up at like 9 maybe and edited my video. I had to take my nephew to his basketball conditioning, and now we are getting food. I don't know if y'all heard about that Bath and Body Works candle sale, but honey, I did get me some candles. But yes, we did go to Bath and Body Works and I got some candles. But right now I'm just waiting on my food, and yeah, I will see y'all when I get back home. All right y'all, so I made it back home. I'm actually about to eat my Chipotle and take my vitamins, which I forgot to take early this morning. But I'm about to eat and take my vitamins and just chill. That's all that I'm doing for right now.
I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you and me too. Promise me it's easy now. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it now. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be.
Hey y'all, so right now I am in the car. I done got myself together. I'm feeling myself a little bit. I just was like, I don't have nothing planned, but I need to stop looking like a bum. I need to stop looking crazy on camera. I need to pop out. You know, sometimes you gotta pop out and show. Yeah, I just decided to get cute, get myself together. Right now I'm going to the grocery store. I'm about to buy some chicken. I think we're gonna fry some chicken tonight. Maybe cook some macaroni. I don't know. I have no idea. But we just have a taste for fried chicken. I have a taste for fried chicken. So I'm about to go to the grocery store and buy some chicken and some oil so we can fry it, because I have a craving for it. I haven't had it in so long. Don't know what else I'm cooking with it. Maybe some macaroni, cornbread. I have no idea. So just come along with me. Let's go to the grocery store. Okay vlog, I think the last time y'all seen me, I was getting chicken from Food Line, which I got. However, my mom called and said that she's going to a Christmas party and that she wants her makeup done. So I just pulled up to her house and I'm going to help her with her makeup, and that is the plan so far for today.
If only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you and me too. And now it's me and you. Now we are still waiting. You gonna make that move, I'll make it
So her makeup is pretty much done. She just gotta put her lip gloss on. Oh, you gotta tell me what you used to make yellow rice.
Oh, that chicken ball?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not yellow rice. Here.
What is it?
It's I think the only way I find it is at the yellow rice section. It's like right beside the yellow rice section.
So it's not yellow rice.
It called chicken or something rice.
Oh. Hello?
What else I need to do?
Nothing.
Mom. What are you doing?
Okay, girl. You and your sparkly shoes. So this is her outfit of the day. You gotta tell them where you got your outfit from.
My shoes came from Steve Madden.
Mm-hmm.
My ugly sweater came from Kohl's.
Mm-hmm.
Pants came from Torek. Turtleneck came from TJ Maxx. I had to think. I'm sorry.
Hey y'all, so I made it back home. Right now we are frying chicken and I'm tired. But right now we're cooking, frying chicken, and I'm making cornbread and baked beans. So after that we're probably going to eat and watch Jamie Foxx special on Netflix and just chill. But I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will see y'all on my next vlog. Bye.
Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna find your body. Please stay. Dance with me, you don't have to admit you on the way.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today is just a chill Sunday vlog. I just want to chill. I work tomorrow, and so I'm gonna just chill for today. So I was just sitting here editing my video from yesterday, my vlog, and I realized that it was short. So this is going to be another vlog into one vlog. So this is Vlogmas day 13 and 14. Today is day 14. Like I said, I was behind 2 days, so I'm just trying to catch up at this point. You know, I'm surprised that I made it this far, honestly. Pat on the back. But yeah, welcome to Vlogmas day 14. What's on the agenda today? Really nothing. Plan is just to chill. I do have to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to pre-record some videos because I know when I work, I don't record. I am in work mode, meaning tunnel vision. Work, get my money, go home, go to sleep. But yes, I do work tomorrow, so the plan today is really to chill. Don't have anything special to do today, but y'all are going to just chill with me. If today is a boring vlog, just welcome to my life. My life isn't really all that entertaining. Right now it's 12:11 in the afternoon, and I'm still in my pajamas, still in the bed, just chilling, just relaxing, eating my Slim Jim, watching Lifetime. But how are y'all spending y'all Sunday? I ordered more gifts off Amazon last night. By the way, I do have an Amazon storefront. Link is in my description box. But I was just on my phone last night ordering more gifts off Amazon. So I may do another gift wrapping vlog. I don't know, because I do have some gifts to wrap. But then again, it's like, I don't really want to wrap any gifts. I just want to say, here you go, Merry Christmas. But y'all, I just posted a TikTok. Follow me on TikTok if y'all not already, at Simplycourtmarie. Have y'all heard about the TikTok ban going on though? TikTok is supposed to be banned supposedly next year, next month. So I guess we'll see what happens. Do y'all believe that, or y'all really think TikTok is going to be banned, or how do y'all feel about the situation? I personally do not know. I don't know what's going to happen, but whatever happens, happens. So yeah, I'm just sitting here eating my snacks. And I was like, I haven't played Sims in a while. So I'm about to play my Sims game and eat my snacks and chill. Don't know how long I'm gonna do this for, but I think it's already it's 1 o'clock now. So I may just play this for like a couple hours. I'll try to come back and check in with y'all. But I know one of my girls on Sims is pregnant and it's time to go into labor. Hopefully she haven't had her baby yet. If y'all ain't play Sims, y'all probably won't get it, but if you know, you know.
No, you must want them. No, I was like, yeah. You don't remember saying that?
No.
Oh, I must have to say something else.
Why you got my socks?
I'm watching.
You might as well have them. Hey y'all. So I just woke up from a nap. It's like maybe 6 o'clock. But I just woke up. Now we are about to cook. So yeah, because we're hungry. And it's Sunday. So places close early and we don't want any fast food. So we about to just cook maybe some rice and some more chicken. But yes, I just woke up. I'm still tired, if you can tell. I'm still tired. But it's just been a lazy, chill Sunday. If you know, you know. My first time making yellow rice.
You got it. You got it.
Hopefully the dinner turns out good. This is my first time making yellow rice, and yes, I go on TikTok for recipes or ideas. So hopefully it turns out good. So the menu is just fried chicken, biscuits, and rice. We need a vegetable, but we don't have any. We don't have any vegetables, but this is just gonna have to do for tonight. So yeah, that's just the plan. Cook, eat, watch football, and go to sleep. Nice chill Sunday. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.